In this video, we're going to learn how to log into ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 is OpenAI's most advanced system, which produces safer and more useful responses. To log into ChatGPT, open up a preferred web browser first. Once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in openai.com and search. Click the login button at the top right-hand corner and then enter your email address associated with your OpenAI account. After typing in the correct email, click on Continue. On the next field, type in your password. If you don't remember your OpenAI's password, click the Forgot Password link to get help. Finally, click the Continue button and you'll be able to log into OpenAI. Select ChatGPT from the list. Now, once you're logged into your ChatGPT screen, you'll be able to see the ChatGPT-4 option at the top right. To get started with ChatGPT-4, you'll need to upgrade to ChatGPT+. Click on the Upgrade button if you've not done that yet, and click the Upgrade to Plus. Now, if prompted, you'll need to enter the code sent to your mobile device via SMS. Type it in the text box on the right-hand corner. You'll need to enter your payment details to upgrade to ChatGPT+. Enter your card details. First, get started by entering your card number in the first text box. On the next field, enter your expiry date, the CVC code, the name on your card, and select your billing address from the list. After filling in your payment details, check this little box at the bottom to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and click on the subscribe button in order to subscribe to ChatGPT+. Soon after you complete your subscription, you'll be able to use ChatGPT-4. That is how you can easily log into ChatGPT-4 with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another video again. Goodbye till then.